In this video, we are going to go over the execution logs in your workflows. So this is going to show a history of all executions performed by this workflow. So enrollment history was only showing the people that have gone through the workflow, and then the execution logs is going to show every step of the workflow that the customer went through. It's going to show which action they have gone through, the status of each of those actions. So it could be finished, failed, retry, add to workflow, and then executed on. This is going to show the date and time that that workflow action was executed. So here you can view the details of your action. So if you click on this here, you can view the event details related to that action. And then here you can view the execution history, and then here you can view the contact history. So this option here is going to only show the contacts executions. So here you can select the days that you would like to view your executions. Here you can view specific actions. So if you want to see just like the AI appointment booking bot or remove from workflow, things like that, you can select that from here. If you'd like to view different items by status, so say you only want to see failed, you can click on that and you will only see those action items. And then if you'd like to see a specific contacts workflow actions, you can click on select contact and then select the contact that you would like to view. And then if you'd like to refresh all of this data and see the most recent, you can click on this refresh icon right here. And that's going to show the most recent executions.